What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and behind me is the new car for the Back to the Future movie. Yes, Tobey Maguire will be starring in place of Michael J. Fox, and the new DeLorean is a Redeye.
When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Okay, maybe not. So what's really going on behind me is we are taking this wide-body smoke show gray Redeye, and we're doing a lot of cool customization to it. Now, this is going to be a shorter video, so what you're going to see is kind of everything as we're getting close to completion. Now, ironically, I've got another smoke show gray Dodge Challenger that we're going to show you in a second. What you're going to get in this video is a before and after of what some custom paint on some plastics can look like. Now, this client didn't want to go too crazy, so what we did was powder coat some wheels, custom paint, custom pinstripe, and a couple little touches just to show you at home what can be accomplished on a budget. Enjoy this short video, and remember, no matter what you're looking for, Empire Auto Spa has you covered.